How to fix video recording not working in Moto G Stylus. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, force stop camera. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search camera app. Now click on camera. Click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear camera cache. Open setting. Again click on apps. Again click on see all apps and search camera app. And again click on camera. Scroll down. Click on storage at cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix video recording not working in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.